All right, hey everyone. I am here at the Inktavo booth with
Craig Mertens.
Craig Mertens, is Director of Education for Inktavo and the biggest SignTracker cheerleader. Anyway, we just wanted to take a minute to thank our #1 sponsors, Inktavo, that bring you SignTracker and Clarity and so many other production management products. But Craig, tell us a little bit about yourself and invite people to come visit you.
Yeah, so fun fact, my previous company, Digital Art Solutions, we were the first company to introduce vector artwork in the sign industry. It was almost 30 some years ago. So been in this industry quite a long time, and Joe and I are partners.
A long time.
For sure. And Joe and I are partners in crime at Inktavo, is kind of the leading sign experts in the company. And so interesting enough, it's what I wanted to share. We have folks sign up for SignTracker trials, and one of the things that I do is a personal outreach on every trial person. And if they pick up the phone, we always have a conversation. And I've been asking 2 questions recently. Question 1 is, what was it that led you to SignTracker, to sign up for trial? And then the second question is, why now? Why did you want to get your act together? Why do you want to get organized? And usually they find us through the internet because we do a pretty stellar job with SEO and all the wonderful content that goes
behind the signs.
Yeah, and behind the signs. But the most interesting thing is, I think people feel like technology is evolving so quickly that if they don't get on the train, they're going to get left at the station. And I think what you see in a typical shop, people that are on manual systems, whether it's whiteboards or Excel spreadsheets, or maybe they ad hoc the general project management software and QuickBooks and all that stuff together, is that if they don't have good information systems in place, then when they grow, it exposes all the cracks in their business. And so I guess we're crack fillers in a sense there, Joe.
Yeah, for sure.
We're kind of patching up all those cracks and making sure the businesses are running thoroughly and productively. And I think the most important part of this whole discussion is, when you're a sign shop, you got a lot of moving parts, and there's a lot of opportunities to drop a ball, and those are pretty expensive. So if you spend the time and you take a step back and you put good systems in place, things tend to run a little bit smoother, but you get to have a little restoration of sanity and life balance.
For sure.
And I think that's really kind of what we're all about. So kudos to you, Joe, for making a platform that is very flexible, but most importantly, works the way a real sign shop works. So congratulations.
Well, thank you, Craig. And I thanks for all the support that you give to our SignTracker customers. So if you are here at ISA, stop by booth 1180. If you're not, just go to sign-tracker.com and sign up. We'd love to help you out. Talk to you soon. Bye.